wrapping paper.
Hey, I open present.
What is it?
Open present.
He is way too meticulous.
What is it, Nolan?
Today, Junior.
Present.
It's presents.
Here, put all the papers in here.
Tear it open, buddy.
Open present.
What are those?
They're presents.
They're presents.
Presents.
What is that, honey?
They're colors.
You got colors from Sally?
Show me. Are you so excited?
Yeah. I'm so excited.
I'm
Yeah.
so
So
excited.
Now he's tearing open the box. You probably don't want that.
Hey, yeah, let's not tear open the box. Here, we'll put the colors later.